I stand in front of the ATM. I stand in front of the ATM. I insert my card. I insert my card. I choose English. I choose English. I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. I select withdrawal. I select withdrawal. I choose an amount. I choose an amount. I take the money. I take the money. I take my card back. I take my card back. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I count the money. I count the money. I put the money in my wallet. I put the money in my wallet. I put my card in my wallet. I put my card in my wallet. I check the balance. I check the balance. I wait for the machine. I wait for the machine. I leave the ATM. I leave the ATM.